EagleRidge Roofing, your trusted roofing contractor in Cottonwood Heights, Utah. Welcome to EagleRidge Roofing, the trusted roofing contractor in Cottonwood Heights, Utah, proudly serving the 84121 zip code and surrounding areas. Whether you need residential or commercial roofing services, we provide top-tier solutions to ensure your property is well protected. At EagleRidge, we offer a full range of residential roofing services. From new roof installations to roof repairs and maintenance, we have the expertise to meet your needs. We also specialize in storm damage assessments and gutter installations and repairs. Our roof inspections will ensure your roof stays in top condition, and if you experience damage, we're ready to provide prompt storm damage repairs. For commercial properties, EagleRidge offers roof installations and replacements, including flat roof services and metal roofing systems. Our Peak Protection Plan provides preventative maintenance programs to keep your roof in top shape, saving you time and money. We also offer energy-efficient solutions and roof coatings that extend the life of your commercial roof. EagleRidge has decades of experience and is known for our premium craftsmanship, competitive pricing, and unwavering commitment to customer satisfaction. Whether you're a homeowner or business owner in Cottonwood Heights, we've got you covered. Call 801-784-1457 today to schedule your free roofing inspection. For more information, visit our website at eagleridgepros.com.